Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Speaking of Roastmasters, meet your Roastmaster for today, Dhimant.
रोस्ट मास्टर बन गए मैं लाइक मेरे को
आप तो बचपन से
The real roast master is Dhimant's wife over here. But the value itself is so nice. One return flight, 20%. Two return flights, some 35%. Asymptotically, it's going towards 100%. Man, it's excellent.
I don't understand why this is the case, right? The ITRs.
तुम भी बताओगे और
हाँ,
कौन
no,
बताएगा
So 15 lakhs is.
एक मिनट, hold. Anything else for Dhimant?
क्या चाहिए
We
तुमको
have
और क्या
clarity.
बैंकों का फ्री ट्रिप चाहिए इसके साथ
तुम
क्या चाहिए और
बैंकॉक
कितना?
में क्यों पहुंच जाते हो यार? जब देखो तभी हर एपिसोड में इस आदमी को सिर्फ बैंकॉक जाना है. इन द वर्ड्स ऑफ बाबूराव आपटे, ये मस्त मानुस है. मेरा एक हादसा भी हुआ है SBI के साथ.
बताओ, खुलासा करो.
When I applied, they sent me an Amex version of the card. मैंने बोला मेरे को नहीं चाहिए Amex version. They sent me another card. फिर से Amex भेजा. बोला भाई हो क्या रहा है भाई? ठीक है. तीसरी बार कार्ड आया. मेरा नाम नहीं किसी और के नाम से कार्ड आया मेरे घर पे.
I think what would make me take this card is that I get born again and I will start flying Indigo whole time and then I will take this card.
पुनर्जन्म धीमंत का पुनर्जन्म. Please tag him on Instagram and let's sign a petition that Dhimant, you should get the Indigo credit card.
Lights flashing bright, we're on the go. Tune in now, there's so much to know. Earning bits, travel dreams we sow. All aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Zero to hero in the blink of an eye. Fly first class, no need to be shy. Redemption sweet, touching the sky. Award seats booked, let's give it a try. Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo.
Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of the Great Indian Points and Miles Show, where we turn everyday spends into extraordinary adventures. Today, we've got a fun topic lined up for you. It's all about travel-specific credit cards. Now, you might have recognized that we must have done an episode like this before, but today, what we're going to do is each one of us who's on the podcast is going to pick one travel credit card. And while we pick that credit card, the other three are going to roast that person in terms of why they have chosen that one and not something that they would prefer. Speaking of Roastmasters, meet your Roastmaster for today, Dhimant.
रोस्ट मास्टर बन गए मैं लाइक मेरे को
आप तो बचपन से
I know man, I don't know, like this last shoot of the day and I'm already myself roasted. Let's see how this goes.
The real
Looking
roast
for-
master is Dhimant's wife over here.
I agree. I couldn't agree more. I remember somebody met her and they loved the fact how she roasted me. आप ही थे शायद वो कभी.
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा इसके बारे में. I will hold my comments. I will reserve my comments. But Dhimant जी, आपका स्वागत है. All right, let's come to our next person on the panel. Like we've got him, I've run out of descriptions to introduce him. We call him the serial double dip king. We call him the lifetime Air India enthusiast. We talk about him in the India circles as the most passionate / in-depth guy about all things air miles. Ladies and gentlemen, Ameya.
Hi folks, nice to shoot this one. I have a new card to talk about in details today.
I am looking forward to you roasting Dhimant today. देखते हैं ये कैसा जाएगा.
मुझे लगा ये फिर से बोलेगा never play full price again.
Which is true.
And this time we've got a fun guest. Our guest is Mayank. We got a chance to meet Mayank the first time maybe 3 years back when a meetup happened in Church Street. And there were 70 of us in that meetup. And then we met again, but I don't quite remember where. And then our, what do I call it? Our guest acquisition specialist, Mr. Dhimant, figured out that let's get Mayank to this particular episode, and you are here. So again, thanks Mayank for making time. Welcome to the Great Indian Points and Miles
Yeah,
Show.
thank you for having me here, first of all. And you guys are doing really great with this podcast and informing people what all they can achieve with the cards, right, just in their pockets.
यार तो बताओ कैमरा को देख के उधर वो कैमरा है बोलो लाइक सब्सक्राइब द ग्रेट इंडियन पॉइंट्स एंड माइल्स शो
Yeah, like, subscribe, and comment, right?
हिट द बेल आइकन
Definitely hit the bell icon.
You have to make something sound like.
ऑलराइट तो धीमंत बताइए आज का क्या सीन क्या करना है हमें
ट्रैवल कार्ड्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे.
तो यू वांट टू स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन
या लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई मीन ट्रैवल कार्ड्स लाइक आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि हम फिर से वही बकवास नहीं करेंगे कि मतलब एक बोलेगा
बकवास तो हम कभी भी नहीं करते धीमंत
लेकिन नहीं लेकिन ऐसे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि तुम
कौन
हर
लोग
बार
बोल रहे हैं?
हर
कहाँ हैं लोग?
बार हर बार
कौन सा लोग मेरे को बताओ
लोग बोल रहे हैं कि तुम हर बार बोलते हो कि ईपीएम और इन्फिनिया और मैग्नस बर्गेंडी ये है ट्रैवल कार्ड्स. सो टुडे वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दिस कार्ड्स आदिल.
ठीक है.
लाइक a good travel card as per me at least
Yeah.
is a card which is accessible,
ओके
which does not require crazy amount of spends,
Okay.
does not require you to open an investment account or buy a forced insurance policy, does not require you to put an FD and be able to anybody can get access to it. I think that's what I think today's episode is all about,
ठीक है.
right? So at least I am going to start with a card in that direction.
ठीक है, let's
right?
go
So,
for it.
and again, I think I have spoken about it many times, but I want to break it down today for whoever is watching this episode because I don't know how many people join our tribe every day, right? So for those people, my first recommendation and favorite travel card today is Marriott Bonvoy card,
Yeah.
right? It's issued by HDFC. It's a co-branded card, right? And let me answer point by point why I love this card. I think I'm not going to go into too much detail. I think let's go into too much detail probably in the second round. But
Yeah.
first round, at least I'll tell you, it's a very cheap card to acquire.
या
3,500,
Yeah.
right, plus taxes.
या
Second is that it's backed by the biggest issuer of India, which is HDFC Bank.
Yeah.
So there is a good amount of stability in that card, right? I don't expect any devaluation anytime soon, at least. हो सकता है, but not like anytime soon. It's the benefits are such that it won't get wiped out overnight, right? Number two. Third thing, I think it gives you an ability to get into an ecosystem of Marriott, which is probably the world's biggest hotel program, right? Gets you to experience that as a newbie, right? Imagine you are in your first job. Like, how can you do your first luxury redemption booking? I think that's what it gives you access to. Last thing why I like this card is probably because it's a co-branded card. There are multiple ways of applying through it. Like some of the favorite ways that we have is one, you can go to the Marriott app and you can apply for it. You can go to the HDFC app and apply for it or their website. You can also apply via affiliates like Cashkaro. And you can also apply via our link, right? Obviously, we'll leave the link in the, if you like what we do, please do consider our affiliate link, right? The biggest way to use that card, the best way to use that card is even if you're not going to probably spend too much money because you don't have, let's say, too much spends in the year. Whatever you can spend, you can spend. But the moment you join, you get a 15,000 rupees worth or points worth of Marriott free night award, which is called FNA. You might have heard a lot of people talking about FNA. It's called free night award. Basically, what it means is you choose any property on the Bonvoy app. As long as it is 15,000 points to 30,000 points, you can use your FNA to redeem it. So let's take an example of a property which costs 20,000 points. You go to the app, you use your FNA, right? It will then show you there is 5,000 points remaining, right? Either you pay by transferring from any of your other credit cards. That's one way of doing it. If you do not have those points, let's say because it's a first card, for example, then choose a property which is 15,000 points worth, right? Or there is an ability to also buy that points or do cash plus points plus revenue, right? So any of these options you can try and go for your first experience with your family, with your friend, with your girlfriend, whichever works for you, right? So this is why I love it. Accessible, easy, and probably backed by the best bank in the country, right? So that's at least my choice for today, Adil.
Okay, I think that's very well summarized. Any questions for Dhimant, Mayank and Ameya?
What else can I use this card for?
I think one thing, it's a very good question, I think, because if this is your first card, I would say use it for everything. Like, because you accumulate spends, you will see people saying कि अरे इससे तो better card है, इससे better rewards मिलेगा. I don't think that's how we should look at it, right? Because we all have spent our first years of spending credit card on 1-2% reward. So it is definitely a rewarding card. I think if I'm not mistaken, it's a 2% kind of a reward rate that you get on this card.
1.33.
1.33 or 2%.
Yeah, it's a 1.33 if I remember, but you also have the milestones.
Milestones,
so at
correct. The
every
moment you add
6
milestone-
lakhs, you get a free night.
Correct,
6,
correct.
9, I think, yeah.
Right. Plus, I think the beautiful part is that time and again, HDFC runs this, Marriott and HDFC run this offers where if you spend a certain amount in a certain period, you can also get bonus points.
Yeah.
Right. So again, these are not predictable. Right now, there was an offer running. I think it just got over or about to get over. So in my head, I think use it for everything that you can. Also, I think the way I look at it is for travel bookings, it has got a multiplier, right, for Marriott travel booking. So if you are anyways going to eat there or you're going to probably spend on that extra money that you need for covering up your remaining second night, please use that card.
But Dhimant, this card has also got a really nice thing that can tie up with your, offers that come in. So it has a multiplier for any dining, not just at Marriott.
Correct.
It also has a multiplier for OTAs.
Correct.
So, so for example, last year when that 5x offer was there, it was possible to get like a pretty good deal out of it.
And any OTAs is fine.
Yeah, any OTAs is okay. Any dining is okay.
And one of the very underrated benefits, like मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं था, there was no commitment or promise made. When I got the card a week or two later, I think, or in the same package, I don't remember, we got a tag, the scannable tag which goes with your bag, right? I put it on my bag and I carry it with me. It's such a chic looking card, and like everybody is like, oh, okay, married guy, okay. I'm not a married guy though, but like it's a very good card, and it's backed by technology. You can actually locate your bag whichever has the tag, right? So some nice sweet spot. You could feel the Marriott touch to an HDFC card in this card, right? So.
Dhimant, are there any exclusions? Because a lot of these cards, right, we are going to talk about, might have some exclusions which the audience might not be aware.
I think two things. One is it's obviously on the Diners platform. So one thing you need is that you can get access to all the Diners lounges easily, right? That's one. From an exclusion lens, wherever Diners doesn't work, this card won't work. Number one, that's a problem, right? So for example, certain education institutes do not have Diners at all in their payment gateway. So ये problem है. But what I've seen is, hence, I mean, I always recommend getting a Visa card is a must. So, but unfortunately, if you're stuck with only one card, then I would say, yeah, that is an exclusion that should be careful about. The second, I would say all the HDFC exclusions apply, which means that you can probably not spend it on government. However, all said and done, there could be a scenario where you have a large tax outgo and you may get the milestone benefit out of it, right? So it doesn't count for base rewards, for sure, right? I know for sure. I've not tried using the card for any tax payment as such because I have more efficient cards, but at least all the standard exclusions that apply on any FD card also apply here. So.
Anything else for Dhimant?
क्या चाहिए
Do we
तुमको
have
और क्या
clarity?
बैंकोक का फ्री ट्रिप चाहिए इसके साथ
तुम
क्या चाहिए और
बैंकॉक में
कितना?
क्यों पहुंच जाते हो यार? जब देखो तभी हर एपिसोड में, ये चौथा एपिसोड है, इस आदमी को सिर्फ बैंकॉक जाना है. ऐसा क्या मिल रहा है तुमको बैंकॉक में?
तो पहले वाले तुमने एपिसोड में बताया ना, बैंकॉक में एक बहुत मस्त प्रॉपर्टी है, क्या नाम था, कपेला. तो अब मैं कपेला के लिए जाना चाहता हूँ. दैट्स व्हाट द इंटेंशन वाज. Why do you read other
तुम
things?
जो हिसाब से मस्त बोले ना, तुम्हारे
अरे तो बॉम्बे स्टाइल है.
तुम्हारे लक्षण मेरे को बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहे. ये मेरे को इन द वर्ड्स ऑफ बाबूराव आपटे मेरे को लग रहा है प्रॉब्लम है. हेरा फेरी का बाबूराव आपटे देखा आपने? ये मस्त माणूस है, ये मस्त माणूस का लक्षण ठीक नहीं लग रहा है मेरे को.
I need to get this Bangkok thing off my back, dude. Seriously, I need to stop.
Who brought it?
I brought it
Who
up.
brought it up? हाँ.
You should change the destination.
He has more. इनके और भी चाहिए थे डेस्टिनेशंस है. एम्स्टर्डम है, वेगस है, मकाओ है. और कोई है?
नहीं, बस हो गया.
Goa.
हाँ, गोवा है.
इस हफ्ते जा रहा हूँ. So one thing I forgot, and I think this is one thing you should be careful about. If you already have a Marriott account,
Yeah.
there's a time, sometimes the Marriott account that you're given while applying for this card doesn't match up. So there could be that small hiccup that many people have reported. Just
But you
keep that
can
in mind.
write to the team and
Yeah,
they're pretty
it gets done,
efficient
it gets done.
at merging
Yeah,
it.
don't get
But
panicked
just keep in mind, the tip is to people when you're filling in your application, quote your Bonvoy number.
Yeah,
if you
absolutely.
don't quote it, then
Definitely
they'll give
create
you
a
a
new
new.
account.
And then what you'll have to do is you'll have to send them an email and they'll merge it. But it's a pretty efficient process. It's a problem नहीं है.
absolutely.
वो solve हो जाता है.
Absolutely.
But I like this card. I love this card. I've spoken about it multiple times before. Like it has to be in my wallet. For the simple reason that you spend $3,500
Yeah.
and you get 15,000 FNA.
Yeah.
That FNA, I have been fortunate to use it in Houston, Texas. ह्यूस्टन में मेरे को कोर्टयार्ड मिल गई थी विच इज़ अ 22,000 रुपी प्रॉपर्टी. तो 3,500 देके अगर तुमको 22,000 का वैल्यू मिल रहा है, व्हाई नॉट, राइट? सिमिलरली वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट प्रॉपर्टीज हियर इज द
Prestige Golfshire.
Prestige Golfshire. तो we've talked about multiple times. You'll get for like
चाचा मामा
20. हाँ, हाँ.
बगल वाला सबको पता है अभी ये.
मैं तो आपको भी भेजा है. मैं तो आपको भी भेजा है. पहले आप ना बोल रहे थे, फिर बोलो. एक बार जाने के बाद क्या हुआ?
निखिल भी जाना चाहता है. हमारा एडिटर निखिल, he also wants to go to JW Prestige now.
So I mean that's a no-brainer for us in Bangalore. But the Sheraton Mahabalipuram. It's a lovely property that
Yeah.
you'll get for anywhere between 16 to 18K. तो top up 1,000 या 3,000 का करना पड़ेगा. Even if you've not spent anything on that card, and if you have like platinum travel, 3,000 transfer कर दो, and you can do that. My recommendation to everybody is get that card for yourself, get that card for your wife. Go and spend. If you're in Bangalore, spend 2 nights in Sheraton Mahabalipuram. Lovely beach facing property.
Yeah.
7,000 रुपए में 2 रात 5 स्टार में आपको कोई नहीं दे
So,
सकता.
Adil,
This is an unbelievable
So
stay.
can we use back-to-back nights with this card?
Yeah. Absolutely. So let's do one thing. I think ये थोड़ा सा बहुत tricky होने वाला है because we're going to discuss a lot of cards. Let's put like a small like numbers to rank the card. हाँ.
डालो चीफ फ्रेमवर्क ऑफिसर डालेगा फ्रेमवर्क इसके अंदर.
अरे यार फिर रैंक कैसे करेंगे? हर कोई अपनी
नहीं,
सब्जेक्ट
तुम
की बातें
डालो,
बताएगा. मैं बोल
हमारे
रहा हूँ
पास choice थोड़ी
हाँ,
है.
तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ
हम तो सुनते ही हैं.
एक डालते सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल, अर्न रेट डालते हैं, बहुत सिंपल.
हाँ.
Versatility of the card, right? And ease of getting the card. I think let's put that on these 3 parameters.
Ease of getting the card, I would say
5 on 5.
5 on 5.
5 on 5?
Yeah.
Earn rates probably 2 on 5, 3 on 5?
100, I would say 1 on 5.
1 on
I
5.
think
Chalo, 100 is very
1.3%
poor.
is like not encouraging in my
Versatility,
opinion.
versatility
But I
of-
think all of us should say,
Yeah.
I'll go first.
Sure.
I think like earn rate is 1 on 5. Versatility, how do you define versatility?
Yeah, you can't redeem it anything outside Marriott. The rewards.
But I would still say for Marriott, it's great.
So I think it is a-
versatility, है ना? That's why it's saying versatility,
I
right?
think it is a great starter card for people who want to experience luxury,
Correct.
right? But as you said, it is not versatile.
Yeah, and
it
that's
is not.
why-
Versatility का
disagree with
issue
this,
ये है
man.
कि वो Diners platform पे है, which means that oftentimes उसका like outside India the charges are higher. Also, if you're trying to make like a large payment for a car
Yeah.
or a down payment for something, फिर वो merchant category code आपको accept नहीं करेगा क्योंकि उनको commission ज़्यादा देना पड़ता
Yeah,
है.
correct.
So preferred cards are Visa and Master, but Diners versatility चलो it's low. But
What is the ranking? Rank बताओ ना.
I'd say maybe 2 on 5.
maybe, चलो, okay,
But I'd say value is like 6 on 5.
तो value भी डालते हैं,
Or
चलो,
5
let's
on
put
5.
value as a parameter,
I
I think.
really like the card on value. मतलब 3,000 रुपए में unbelievable ROI.
Issuance 5.
5 on 5.
Value 5 on 5.
5
6
on
मत
5.
डालो अभी. 6 मत
हाँ,
डालो extra
मतलब
अपना taste.
it's a winner of a card.
Perfect. Versatility was you said the 2
Two on
and
5.
the last was earn rate which is 1.
1 on 5. Yeah.
What about you, Amaya? How do you rate my suggestion?
I think largely aligned. One more thing I like about this card, by the way, is it's one of the easier now with the lounge access getting curtailed. It is a card that gives you great lounge access very easily.
Without carrying additional card.
Without
or priority
carrying anything
card.
additional.
12 visits a year, right? That
Yeah,
is
but no priority pass needed. You can just carry the card and use
International
it.
also, yeah.
So let's see. We have a value. I definitely think I'll put it in like 4 or 5 on 5.
Perfect.
With respect, what are the other pillars?
Do you disagree with anything? I mean, I agree with him completely. I don't want to give my own rating. I think I agree with him.
I think
fully.
I'm largely aligned.
Yeah. If there any disconnect, we can probably. Otherwise, we can move on
I
to the
just
next one.
disagree with the value.
What about-
Because value, I would say, is a card which I can use over an year, right? Not just the initial 3,000, right? Joining fees. So for value, I would say it's 4 out of 5 just because of that one night or
Yeah,
2
man.
nights I might get.
I will disagree to that because the value for me is defined as saying कि आप 3,000 देके कितना निकाल सकते हो उससे. Like look at it, like you can probably 15,000, 20,000 rupees worth night आराम से
So
निकाल ले.
That's
let
why-
me put it one way, right? I think on the value front, the upfront value, like the value that you get with the welcome benefit or renewal benefit is excellent, but the value that you get from incremental spends is not so much.
Correct.
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 Then
Aligned.
maybe make it 4 over 5. Like let's agree
Yeah.
to do 4 and then move on. Yeah, perfect.
But like it's a no-brainer of a card just to get it for the welcome benefit.
Oh,
itself.
yeah, yeah,
Right? It's super simple.
So this is one of the issues that I have seen. When people ask me this question, right? The first card I say Bonvoy. The only hitch I have is that I feel sometimes it cannot be anybody's primary card, and that's I think where the challenge is. So maybe you have a primary card and you have a travel card. So maybe that's the right way to think about it.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's move on to the next card.
Okay, चलो मयंक आप पे आते हैं. What's a card that you'd like to recommend?
I would recommend Access Atlas because of its flexibility, right? You could just a no-brainer card. You could just swipe it and earn 4% reward rates across, I would say, different merchant codes. There are obviously some exclusions, as we discussed for HDFC Marriott Bonvoy also, but again, those are largely the common exclusions we have, right? The great thing about the card is that if you are spending it for travel purposes, right? Given we are talking about travel cards, obviously you're gonna be booking a flight or a hotel. If you directly book the flight or a hotel using the website of the not the OTA, I make my trip, clear trip, right? You directly book through the partner website, not a partner website. What do we call them?
Airline website.
Airline
website.
website, right?
Airline or hotel
you
website.
get
Direct bookings.
direct bookings. You get 5% in edge miles back.
So 10% overall.
So yeah, so now this edge miles are converted 1:2 ratio into the partner miles, which is 10%. And let's say we all know, right? The favorite program is Accor. You get 20% back given the exchange rate. So it's like using Access Atlas for normal spends. It's 8% back. With especially travel spends, you get 20% back. So I really love that card.
वो मेरे को मीम याद आया, रुको जरा ये 20% का मैथ्स मत डालो हर जगह यार, मतलब
Yeah,
क्या
I
है
hate this
ये?
20%
So
math, by the way.
I am pissed at it,
No,
यार.
I'll be honest.
तो बताओ Ameya, why do you have a problem with the 20%?
No, I mean, look, the value at the end of the day that you get is, very different for everyone. Like, I think a lot of us can end up in the rabbit hole saying ki, see, it's great if you are able to get the value, but then assuming that as a part of your calculations is dangerous. And then people will then go value chasing after that. You restrict yourself in the redemptions that you're making then, right?
Look, I feel the problem that I have is one is मेरा तो philosophy problem है. Like मैं बोल रहा हूँ कभी INR value लगाओ ही मत points को. Like that's my at least philosophy. I've always believed in that, right? अब percentage returns कितना है कार्ड पे बोल सकते हो, but the moment you say it's an INR value, then you're like, okay, I'm holding real cash. Let me get more. Oh, that's a no. Like you can't come back from that direction, right? So that's one of the problems that I have. But from a card perspective, I have 3 issues now with the valued card or devalued Atlas, right? I think 3. One, I am now in constant pressure of spending 7.5 on this card. I don't like it. The reason I don't believe that, I don't think that anybody new should get this card right away is that unless he's traveling 3-4 times a year and he's able to spend 7.5 lakhs, he's going to get nothing on the renewal benefit, number 1, right? Number 2, you are basically saying कि यार exclusions ये जो card पे है वो रहेगा, which means you always have to have another card with you to that exclusion. For example, आप gold नहीं खरीद सकते, right? अब it's a reality, right? You have so many exclusions. Plus the exclusions keep changing every quarter or every half or every year. Like it's painful, man. Like how do you take care of that?
So I would say on the exclusions part, right? Those I would say are standard across the banks. Government spends, golds, utilities, rents. For golds, obviously there are ways you can use the card to buy it. You can buy through Myntra or maybe Tata Click and everything through vouchers and all. Coming back to the value add, I do agree that you shouldn't compare it with an INR value. But at the end of the day, we are able to. So, for example, let's say you are booking you could say a trip to Southeast Asia, right? As we just discussed, let's say Bangkok. Let's say Bangkok, right?
अब तो लोग ले रहे हैं very.
The flight is around 40,000 round trip generally, right? Now those 40,000 will give you 8,000 Accor points, 4,000 Accor points, which you can book for 3 nights at least in a decent hotel you get. Right?
होटल डिसेंट याद आ गया मुझे जब भी मेट आज सब डायरेक्शन गाड़ी उसी डायरेक्शन में जा रही है
पता नहीं दीमक का दिमाग कहाँ है
It's in Thailand. But yeah, with the flight you get 3 nights, right? कोई भी कार्ड नहीं देगा. You just book a flight ticket and you get 3 nights free. Yeah. It's as good as that. So
by the way you know, right?
So एक मिनट थोड़ा इसको break it down करो. 3 nights कैसा होता है? थोड़ा समझाओ so that people get a perspective of how.
Yeah. So let's say the flight is 40,000 rupees, right? Now you'll get approximately 4,000 partner miles.
Yeah.
In this case, we are talking about Accor, so you'll get 4,000 Accor miles.
Yeah.
Now these Accor miles are usually, given the exchange rate has gone up, right, are valued at ₹2 per mile.
Correct.
So you could book 8,000 rupees worth of hotels with this,
Correct.
right? Generally, in a place like Thailand, even like across Southeast Asia, a 3-star or 4-star hotel you can get for 3,000 per night for 2 people with breakfast. Right.
Accor का मिल जाएगा 3,000.
Yeah.
3,000 पॉइंट ना
Yeah.
हाँ 3-4 पॉइंट
3,000 per night भी मिल जाता है. 4,000.
की hotel?
Yeah, Novotels and
I thought 5,000 is like
3,000 rupees में तो नहीं मिलेगा भाई.
Vietnam, Indonesia, Bali, you can definitely get it.
okay, interesting.
Okay.
Maybe Mercure or maybe those kinds, is it?
I think Novotels I have seen, but मिल जाता है.
I booked Novotel Vietnam at around $5,000, 5,000, 6,000
Yeah,
bucks.
so even you'll get 2 nights, right? let's say नहीं मिलता because the period is very high, a lot of people are traveling, the prices are high.
Where it's possible, I think your math will work if you book a ticket for 2 people. अगर सोलो कर रहे हो तो ये मुश्किल है
I'm
मेरे
just
ख्याल से,
taking-
लेकिन अगर आप 2 लोग का कैलकुलेशन डालते हो तो हाँ, then accommodation can be sorted.
Like 3-4 nights easily
3
sorted.
nights हो जाएगा, 4 nights I'm still
Stretch है,
conservative.
तो 4 is
I
stretch
want
है,
to be
4 is
very
stretch.
I'll
realistic
be
here.
honest, so I had done some maths for Vietnam, for Bali, 4-5 nights हो सकता है.
Interesting.
You'll not get a too great a property, right? But
एग्जाम्पल बताओ ना, नो होटल टाइप के.
हाँ, like Ibis मिल
Ibis
जाएगा?
शायद मिल
Ibis तो
सकता
पक्का
है.
मिल जाएगा.
नहीं
Ibis
तो
मिल
3
जाएगा.
रात के लिए मैं मान रहा हूँ, मतलब 4 nights actually
Ibis पक्का मिल,
stretch.
but I don't think वहाँ Ibis होते हैं ज़्यादा. So
नहीं,
मैं
पॉइंट बीइंग, व्हाट इज द पॉइंट? योर पॉइंट इज दैट भाई आप 2 रुपए वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो.
Correct.
बस दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग ना.
but Accor की तो fixed value ही है ना.
हाँ, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. चलो मान लेते हैं. माय ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज कि यू कांट असाइन दैट वैल्यू. लाइक दैट्स माय ओनली पॉइंट. लाइक दैट्स
You can't. वो so मेरा point ये है कि with the
अभी आप प्रेशर पे हो, आपको 7.5 लाख भी खर्च करना है, आपको अकॉर पे ही बुक करना
So
है.
मेरा ये पॉइंट है कि द स्वीट स्पॉट इज इफ यू कैन स्पेंड 7.5 लाख बिकॉज उसमें आपको रिन्यूअल फी भी वापस मिल जाती है व्हेन इट गेट्स रिन्यूड, राइट? यू गेट 5,000 एज माइल्स बैक.
नो, 2500 एज माइल्स मिलते हैं और हेंस 5000 पार्टनर माइल्स.
करेक्ट माय बैड. तो वो भी आपकी फीस भी वापस आ जाती है, तो इट्स अ लाइफ टाइम फ्री कार्ड बन जाता है इफ यू कैन स्पेंड 7.5 lakhs. बट वो भी फिर
So again, I think my problem is twofold, right? One is that let's take this example of 2 type of people. One who already has a primary card. उसके लिए एटलस पे 7.5 स्पेंड करना है स्ट्रेच. नॉट एवरीबडी कैन स्पेंड 7.5 लाख इफ यू हैव अनदर कार्ड. इफ यू आर अ न्यूबी देन यू आर बेसिकली स्ट्रगलिंग विद सो मेनी एक्सक्लूजन्स कि आप 7.5 लाख खर्च करना भी चाहो तो भी नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि योर लाइक रेंट पे 1% का एडिशनल बर्डन है प्लस एज माइल्स. सो सी फॉर मी दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. दैट्स हाउ आई सी द प्रॉब्लम. बट अगेन आई डू रियलाइज दैट it could be a better card as a starter card for versus an Marriott because it's slightly more versatile. करते चलो रैंक करते, let's put it under the ranking.
Visa platform पे, right?
हाँ,
So
so Visa
versatility
and-
पे it's going to be number 1.
Also it's you can use the reward for multiple programs.
Exactly. So versatility पे this card is very high.
Versatility is the best.
But I'll tell you what. I'll tell you the downside of this card is the ability to get the card.
Oh yeah, this is a big
Like
issue.
it is very difficult to
Yeah,
get the
yeah.
Atlas card. Lot
in
of
spite
people
of
get rejected.
in spite of
having good
yeah,
limits.
Agreed.
So I don't understand why this is the case, right? The ITRs.
तुम ही बताओगे और कौन
So
बताएगा?
so 15 lakhs is
एक मिनट होल्ड. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारी ऑडियंस को बताना कि हमारे भाई साहब जो हैं, मयंक भाई साहब, रिस्क एनालिसिस में काम करते हैं. इनका काम है आजकल जो फ्लेवर ऑफ द सीजन है, जिसको हम मलाई बोलते हैं. मलाई का मतलब मशीन लर्निंग एंड एआई. ये यूज करके ये प्रिडिक्शन मॉडल्स बनाते हैं जो बोलते हैं इनको कार्ड देना चाहिए, इनको कार्ड नहीं देना चाहिए. बिकॉज यू हैव दैट पर्सपेक्टिव,
Yeah.
शेयर विद अस व्हाई डू यू थिंक गेटिंग एटलस इज सच अ पेन?
So first of all, I'll just tell you the requirements for it, right? So for salaried, it's I think 15 lakh ITR, and for non-salaried, I think it's 12 lakh of ITR. Now the thing is, so again, disclaimer: I don't work for Axis Bank, so I don't know how they are accepting or rejecting their customers, right? But generally, what I feel is that people have tried to game the card a lot, right? They have tried to game a card a lot. So coming from an Axis like bank point of
Can you give an example of how they've gamed the card? Just बड़ा खुलासा करो कि this is how they've tried and it should not be done.
Yeah, so back then, right, when 2 years back, you could book Agoda bookings, right, and then do a refund. So you used to get those bookings back as a UPI. So it was like you have made a payment to your card and not a refund to the card. So
No. Explain it down. Like
Yeah,
simplify करके समझाओ
चलो.
ताकि पब्लिक को समझ में आए.
So for
exactly.
yeah, so the loophole was which I think Twitter पे भी बहुत famous हुआ था अभी recently. You do a booking on Agoda or
Okay.
one of the partner. I don't remember the exact website. Let's say Agoda, right? 1 lakh की
book
booking
on a
की
travel website, 1 lakh rupees.
Correct.
Any hotel.
any hotel.
ठीक है.
Were you also getting accelerated miles on that?
Agoda, yeah. So Agoda अभी भी मिलते हैं. तो good thing is you can do Agoda bookings and still get accelerated miles.
Okay, ठीक है.
Right. So let's
So
say
1 lakh rupee का
booking किया, you get 5,000 miles, 10,000 partner miles.
Correct.
You refund it. Now Agoda में क्या था?
You cancel it. You
You
do
cancel
a free
it.
cancellation is what you're saying.
Yeah, free cancellation. You do the
Okay.
free cancellation.
ठीक है.
You get 1 lakh back into the card.
Into your
now
card.
that 1 lakh wasn't a refund in the system. It was a UPI transaction which Agoda used to do.
Oh.
Yeah.
To the bank.
So it was a payment made.
Oh, and then the points therefore you should not get deducted.
Correct. Now
So it
There
was
was no way for
treating that.
no way for Axis to know that
no.
this was.
So now they have Axis has introduced this only, right? They'll look at the MCC code as well as the description. So they are going a 2-tier. That's why they are doing that.
No, but that's one. But still, the refund. If the platform decides to give a refund in UPI and not to the
No, but
source,
लिखा होता था Agoda UPI. So they knew it is.
so now they can actually claw that
so
back.
they
even though
have
it's a-
clawed that back,
Oh,
but people who
interesting.
gamified it, they knew it. They closed the card.
But see, that cannot
Yeah,
be the
so who
reason.
closed the card? But then that's the point, right? I mean, the lesson for me is never kill the golden rooster. You're getting the golden eggs. लेते रहो खुश रहो. The day you try to kill the golden rooster, then you lost it, right?
This is like the whole Nash equilibrium we were talking about the other day. Yeah.
Zero sum game.
It's a
But
zero
still,
sum game.
it doesn't still explain the fact that why, like, if there are so, I know at least 10 people who used our referral, they message us back saying कि भाई आपके कार्ड अप्लाई किया था, मेरा I
लेकिन
have
कार्ड नहीं मिल रहा.
मेरे पास इन्फिनिया है, लेकिन मेरा एटलस रिजेक्ट हो गया.
Correct.
क्या
That-
बोलना है? Like it's
I mean, I would say
unbelievable.
that is very weird. Mostly, so मेरा Samsung reject हुआ था. I had Axis Magnus, Axis Atlas, and Samsung I got rejected because the only reason was I didn't pay attention. मैंने apply जैसे किया था, I applied, and they started a new application for me.
Okay.
Now the agent came. I didn't think कि agent क्यों आया घर. I was busy. The agent came. I did a sign. Now the agent ने ही information मेरी सही नहीं डाली थी, and hence the card got rejected.
Yeah, that's a very good point. I think
Right.
like check this, get this checked also. I think also I feel that the easiest way to get the card is that if you have any Axis card and आप कॉल करते हो और अपग्रेड के लिए एलिजिबल हो, अगर आपका 15 लाख वाला एलिजिबिलिटी है, then just call and upgrade the card on phone. I think that's the best way to do it. The problem is the new applications. I've seen most starters who have that 15 lakh, they are not able to get the card. I think कुछ तो issue है, but let's move on. I think let's just rank the card and then let's move on.
Okay. So how do you rank the card?
So I'll rank the card 4 out of 5 in general. For value, for me it's 5 out of 5 because I don't have to look for discounts and everything for flights and all. I just know 10% cashback I'll get.
Cashback नहीं है?
Not a cashback, a points back, and then I can convert it as
What about versatility?
versatility. I would say 4 out of 5.
Okay.
Because
I think it should be 5 out of 5.
Yeah,
क्यों 4
versatility is
out of
5 out of 5.
Atlas से अच्छा
Accessibility.
और
the
कोई
only
नहीं.
the only
Accessibility
reason
only.
4 out of 5 because there is a capping, right? So for the audience, when we earn miles, right? Let's say we spend 7.5 lakh per year to get that milestone. Now you get around 37,500 edge miles.
Correct.
Now for most of the people, they will transfer to Accor bucket, right? Accor. Now Axis has 2 buckets split: partner A, partner B. Accor is capped at 30,000 transfers per year. Now those extra 7,500 miles you have, right? There isn't a good partner in.
अगले साल यूज कर लो.
But अगले साल भी तो आप 7.5 लाख कर ही दोगे.
Yeah,
तो
fair.
that will keep on accumulating. So वो 7,500 का.
ग्रुप भी है, ITC है.
हाँ, again अब 7,500 में
और
ITC.
ITC से Marriott.
हाँ, you can do that.
Yeah.
You can do that.
So like, so okay. So here's my question to you, right? Given that we said we'll challenge each other and just like push each other, right? Show me a card which has more versatility than Atlas today.
I would say Burgundy, Axis Magnus Burgundy.
वही ना, फिर
but
super
that
premium.
is not a
Super
travel
premium.
card.
Accessibility
Super
नहीं है
premium.
ना.
It's not
Yeah,
like a-
for a
yeah.
travel card, I would
कितने
say
लोग
then.
कितने लोग 10 लाख और
Yeah.
30 लाख रुपए डाल सकते हैं अपने
Correct.
अकाउंट में यार?
Yeah.
सोचो ना आप खुद.
Honey makes sense.
इस बजट में in a 5K rupee card, I don't think anyone even comes close to this card.
Yeah, and even you look at the limits, right? This group A and all, like you probably need what, if my calculations go right, about 5-6 lakhs of spends on airlines. Not how many people spend 5-6 lakhs annually on airlines? Not too much. So I think the limits are very reasonable.
It's a generous limit. I think it's
Yeah.
quite generous.
I think as a starter card, like I know that obviously 4% returns are very high for a card at 5,000 rupee value, but I think the only card that can probably from the other banks which can challenge it probably is Regalia Gold. मतलब closest, मतलब with a similar, it's half the price. It's also got let's say decent
Well, half the value. Also.
value only, but हाँ मतलब I agree and hence I said कि यार it doesn't compete with Atlas directly. So उस segment में I feel there is no other
हाँ,
card
अगर
that
आपको
can.
Atlas नहीं मिल रहा है, then this is a good consolation.
Exactly my point. That's exactly my point. So I'm saying from a
तो
versatility.
try Atlas नहीं मिला तो consolation के लिए
Absolutely.
Regalia ले लो.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah. And with Regalia, I would say you are locked in Smart Buy.
What about earn rate पे भी it would be 4 I guess.
Earn rate is
4, 5.
Earn rate
I'd
is
say
5, I will say.
5 out of 5. For a
At
5,000 card.
a 5,000 rupee card, it's a 5 on 5.
Atlas is one of the best cards for offline spends.
For sure.
Excellent it
Yeah.
is.
Earn is 4.
The only downside is international transactions.
Yeah.
You get a 3.5%.
But it has to sit in one of the buckets. Na,
Plus
Yeah, sit in one of the buckets. So I'm saying कि value पे अगर आपने 4 बोल दिया, अगर आपने versatility पे 4 बोल दिया,
Yeah.
at earn में आपने 4 बोल दिया,
Earn पे 5
Earn
I
is
would
5.
say.
5 maybe. So then we are almost done. I think we are all on the same page. I think let's move on.
But I mean, availability or whatever you are calling it, it's hard to get. So
Yeah,
that's
it's
the
a
pain.
accessibility is the issue.
And I'm very confused as to why Atlas would reject the customers, right? Who
A lot of people I
eligible
know
for
have
that.
gotten rejected. It's crazy.
I'm not able to understand.
I'll
the
give a
reason.
general advice to the audience that they should get the letter why they have rejected. The bank has to provide that, the reason.
What? How,
It
where,
says
how do you do
due
it?
to internal policy.
No.
So you just have to mail. Even if they say that, they have to give a reason, like what internal policy, because I am eligible
Sibyl
for-
था या क्या था,
exactly.
whatever.
They should.
So who to email? Like what's the email ID we need to?
I think the general matrix there is, right, CNO, PNO, and all.
Correct.
And generally, when you do this kind of effort, they'll give you the card.
Okay.
Because you are eligible.
ये
you,
अच्छा हैक है कि जवाब नहीं देंगे तो कार्ड दे देंगे, लेकिन एंड आई एग्री विथ यू, एक्सिस शायद कार्ड ही दे देगा, जवाब तो नहीं दे पाएगा, जवाब तो नहीं हो पाएगा हमसे.
तो because people are eligible, right? उन्हें खुद को पता है, तो मिल जाएगा.
I think that's a very good suggestion. मतलब this same thing I've suggested to few people for HDFC also. ले अगर आप ज़्यादा डीप में जाके, जैसे वो जब आपको आपका RM बोलता है ना कि नहीं सर आप एलिजिबल नहीं हो, जैसे ही आप चेन्नई पे ईमेल भेजते हो ना, उनको पता है कि उनका पर्दा फाश हो चुका है. उनको पता है कि मैं इसको इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी निकालने की कोशिश कर रहा था, बट इस बंदे को पता है प्रोसेस क्या है. ऑल्सो वन underrated hack: when you go to a bank, never ever speak to the RM, speak to the credit card guy. He doesn't have any other targets to achieve but credit card issuance. Like wo works for most of the banks, right? So
ठीक है, let's round this off, Mayank. Rank it, and then we'll all agree or disagree on the different parameters that we discussed. So how do you rank it on value?
5 out of 5.
I think we all agree.
agree,
Alignment, versatility.
4 out of 5.
agreed.
I'd say 5 out of 5.
I'll,
No, 4,
I'll
yeah,
go
4.
3 because access is hard, no?
Oh yeah.
Access is hard.
No, that is ease of getting the card. Not on
But access,
versatility.
accessibility is the same thing, no? नहीं?
Oh, yeah.
Versatility में.
Versatility is different. Versatility is like the ability
Can you
to
use for multiple
transfer.
rewards? I agree.
It's a
Fine.
Visa
Yeah, yeah.
card.
Agree,
all
agree.
of
Actually
that.
beautiful like that. 100
Vers-
rupees you get rewards. Milestone is also
Agree.
there.
5 on
Yeah.
5. 5 on 5.
So it's 5 on 5.
Fine.
Ease of getting the card is what my question is. How do you rank it?
I don't think ease of getting my card was a अलग ये, just let's say accessibility बोलते हैं in general.
Accessibility, yeah.
5,000 का कार्ड है, lot of people can access it, but it's not getting issues. I would say 3.
3 out of 5, I think that Access has to sort it out.
Yeah.
Not the people.
2 out of 5, yeah.
2, same. I'd say 2.
Let's stick to 2 यार. I think it's not that easy to get.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think select वो दे देते हैं आसाम से. थोड़ा सा Atlas पे अभी भी they are stuck. I think maybe they are afraid of that misuse that's happening.
Correct.
ठीक है, fair. Let's agree to that.
Yeah.
Cool. Amaya, come to you. Let's
Hey,
talk
by the way, I
about
forgot earn rates.
4%.
Earn was 5.
I would say 5
5
out of 5. Value.
5 out of 5.
Basically value
Yeah.
5 out of 5.
नहीं, earn was separate. Separate line item.
All right, Amaya, let's come to you. What card are you bringing out today and defending?
Air India.
In the ring now, Amaya Karve, 468 pounds. ऐसा बोलता है ना बॉक्सिंग रिंग में जो बंदा आ रहा है.
So, okay, in true style, I'm going to give you 2 answers. Both these cards will give you similar
अरे
value.
रैंकिंग बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा, एक बताओ यार.
अरे
एक से start करते
सिमिलर
हैं.
होगा, वो दोनों का बहुत सिमिलर होगा, trust me.
रुको जरा, सबर करो, थोड़ा सुन तो लो.
The thought process is this, and I've spent a fair amount of time looking at it. What are the cards that give me the reward rates of Atlas? But you trade off the versatility for specific things for people that it works for. The 2 cards are going to be, one is going to be the Crystallar Apex. While it is a 10,000 rupees card, it is easy to get relatively. Well, it's SBI. You may or may not get it.
रिलेटिवली अच्छा तुमने बोल दिया. अपने रिलेटिव के अलावा किसी को कार्ड नहीं मिलता है.
आदिल सर के पास है.
What's the card?
Crystallar Apex. So I think TLDR, here's what is the important thing on this card. 10,000 you spend, you get 10,000 SQ miles. So decent welcome. You also get up to 5 lakhs. You're going to get 5% net in Singapore miles. So it's giving you reward rates equivalent to Atlas, but it is heavily restricted with respect to versatility. So it's for some people it can work out. 5 lakhs is an okay milestone for across the year, and I think it works out decently. The other one that I've kept talking about a lot is the IndusInd Avios. This card is even better on the welcome. You spend 10,000, you're getting 20,000 Avios back in.
Agreed.
It also gives you roughly 4% reward rate when it comes to this thing. in Avios. So reward rate is a little lesser. Welcome bonus is a lot higher.
कितना % है reward rate?
So 2.25 you get because
Still
of
better than the
milestone and
Marriott
another
card. Still better than the
1.5.
Marriott card, yeah.
So yeah, 4%. No, net 4%. It's definitely better than Marriott card.
Yeah.
So I think the welcome bonus is similar to Marriott card. The earn rate is more. So both of these roughly give or take, they are going to get a 5% return in some sense. The downside obviously is your versatility. You can only get SQ points or you can only get Avios points. But
Yeah, both Avios and SQ are like versatile in itself.
They are
right?
versatile,
like,
exactly.
I would-
Star Alliance
हाँ,
and
मतलब I was,
OneWorld.
if you were to compare the, let's say, Marriott card on versatility versus this is far more versatile,
yeah.
both of the
So
cards. like,
I think this is the broad messaging that people who are saying ki boss, I'm not able to get Atlas for whatever God knows reason, and you want to have an alternative for a robust card that you can use for spends. These are both milestone cards. You want to get a card for your family member so that you don't have to think and tell ki when to use which card. They are both beautiful.
Yeah, see, I kind of disagree on two fronts, right? So, like, great suggestions, by the way. I think what I don't like is the fact that 10K is seriously high entry barrier. See, we speak to hundreds of people in our meetups that we do, and I think one thing I've realized is that यार lifetime free card के लिए भी लोग सोचते हैं अप्लाई करने से पहले. I have a feeling that when you talk about a 10,000 rupee card, people want to go too deep to understand कि यार मेरा benefits क्या है. The moment you say कि versatility पे वो 3 है, then 10,000 becomes too big a barrier for people to enter.
I agree. I think from the design, that one's a bit... But I think this can work out both ways, Zeeman. So like, for example, like say someone is booking like an airline. Let's just take a scenario. Like say you want to go to Singapore from a Bangalore, right? 20,000 economy. You want to book that. Gathering 20,000 points is going to take a bit of time. But this 10,000 is a nice shot in the arm immediately, right? So let's assume that, a person gets this card, gets 10,000 as the welcome benefit, spends 5 lakhs in a year. 5 lakhs in a year is going to get you how much more? Another, roughly you get 5%, right? So how much is that? 25,000.
25,000.
So all in all, this has gotten you to like 35,000 SQ miles.
I think
Top
the
it up
reward
for-
rates and the joining benefits are very good.
Yeah.
Like I personally feel that there are two problems. I spoke about one. The second problem that I have is the banks. Both of them.
Both of them, yeah.
Pain, big pain, and like unreliable. One is the issuance itself is a big problem. Dealing with them is a big problem.
No, the point I wanted to make is that for any redemption, you're going to need a decent corpus. You can't
Yeah.
make a redemption with 15,000 points.
Yeah, that's also
so
a
in that
problem.
sense, I think this actually works out decently. So yeah, I mean, if you think that you're able to make use of it, both these
Let
cards
me ask you
are.
one question, right? Would you ever recommend this to anybody as the first travel card? Like genuine question. Like
I think so. Because
I won't, yeah. I don't
maybe
think
not the
so.
Singapore one, but the Avios I will definitely so. Because Avios, you get so much flexibility from India, man.
By the way, Avios का approval rates are very good.
Approval
so
rates
one
are
of the things,
excellent.
if people are wondering कि मेरे को Atlas नहीं मिल रहा है, will I get this card because it's a slightly more expensive card? If you are in that zone, please apply for the card because we've seen our links go through very, very. I mean, the rates are as high as 70-80% go through rates. So if you fall in that bucket of approval, it's a great card to get.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, I still feel that like dealing with the bank could be an issue. Like it's not like the most versatile bank. So thoda sa we'll have to be careful about that.
Yeah.
Personally, I feel both these cards are expensive fan club memberships to Qatar as well as SQ. Simply put, because the only reason, matlab, you are logged in just Qatar, right? You are logged in SQ. A lot of people.
This is the place where Adil wants to get logged in every day.
SQ.
Lock कर दो मुझे
I know.
I have
From the
Apex
first
card.
meeting, Adil was all about SQ. I still remember.
जिस दिन वो कार्ड निकला है मैंने अप्लाई किया. I'll tell you the only problem I have with that card. Let's say a credit limit is 100 rupees. Whichever banks, you have 4-5 credit cards, right? अगर समझो ₹1,00,000 आपका क्रेडिट लिमिट है, SBI आपको 20,000 देगा.
आपकी बेइज्जती मतलब अलग लेवल की होती है.
मैं
मतलब
बोल रहा हूँ, like you will get a shock of your life when you see.
I think
क्या
SBI
एक जीरो कमा
puts
है
you
क्या
down.
इसके अंदर? That's the way you look at it. And if you want to get insulted, try applying for an SBI credit card. As simple है. वो इतना जोर का आपको लाफा मारते हैं ना कि बोलता है हाँ भाई चलो.
SBI won't reject you, but will insult you.
SBI and मेरा एक हादसा भी हुआ है.
बताओ.
जो SBI के साथ
बताओ
है.
खुलासा करो
वो
आपकी भाषा में.
SBI का जब Apex कार्ड निकला, पहले तो they put the 2 cards on the website with links to apply. पहले एक हफ्ते तक तो वो चले ही नहीं. Nobody was able to apply. They did a lot of PR वगैरह. Finally, when I applied, right, they sent me an Amex version of the card. मैंने बोला मेरे को नहीं चाहिए Amex version. मेरे को जो है उसका वीजा या मास्टर जो भी है वो चाहिए. दे सेंट मी अनदर कार्ड. ओके, फिर से Amex भेजा. बोला भाई हो क्या रहा है भाई, ठीक है. तो मैं बोला ओ सॉरी सर, वील सेंड इट टू यू अगेन. वो तीसरी बार कार्ड आया, मेरा नाम नहीं किसी और के नाम से कार्ड आया मेरे घर पे. मैं बोला भाई ये क्या हो रहा है. देन आई कॉल्ड देम अगेन. बोला बॉस हो क्या रहा है. सर रियली सॉरी. फाइनली फोर्थ अटेम्प्ट पे मेरे को आया. एंड बाय द टाइम आई सॉ यार ये व्हाटएवर जो इतना थकेला क्रेडिट लिमिट है.
शिद्दत बता शिद्दत वाला डायलॉग मारो.
The only reason I have gone in because I really needed those 10,000 miles, क्योंकि मेरे को 43,000 चाहिए था, मेरे पास 33,000 का बैलेंस था. वो 10,000 मिल जाता था, मेरा 43 हो जाए, मेरा सिंगापुर का SQ रिडेम्पशन हो जाता. उसके लिए मैंने उतना फाइट मारा है. बट अदरवाइज just interacting with SBI is a major pain. Like before this, I had the SBI Etihad card, which was a 5,000 rupee card. 8 लाख रुपए खर्चा करो, उस पर कंपेनियन वाउचर मिलता था. It is a legend of a card. But just interacting with SBI is such a pain that I just stay away.
And trust me, he's the guy who is ready to talk to on agents with 2 hours also. He's saying this. मतलब must be a real pain. अब
okay.
rating करो. अब तुमने सब सुन लिया. अब rating करो.
So I think from my lens, I think value it is equivalent to what Atlas gives you, but versatility it is a lot lower.
वैल्यू पे 5 नहीं यार, 10,000 का कार्ड है, वो 5,000 का कार्ड है सर.
5%.
हाँ बट दैट्स a 10,000 acquisition cost ना. Like वो 5,000 acquisition cost है
You're
यार.
getting 20,000 miles for that, sir.
No, I get it. I get that. But
The point is,
फिर then
see,
Marriott
you
should
have to-
rate 7 on 5 then.
I have to.
By
But
that
Marriott
logic.
earn rates are bad, no?
अरे बट 100 की डिस्प्ले थोड़ी रेटिंग कर रहे हैं हम. तो अभी वैल्यू की रेटिंग कर रहे हैं ना. वैल्यू पे 3,500 करके आपको 20,000 मिल रहा है.
With the value, I would
It's not
say
fair if you give both 5.
20,000 मिल रहा है, I agree. But Atlas भी 5,000, 10,000 देता है. And Atlas का reward rate भी फिर
Atlas doesn't give you 10,000 anymore. It only
Rating
gives you
value पे
5,000.
this card on 5 is
5,000
not fair
miles.
is as per me.
No,
2,500
edge
miles.
No.
5,000 partner.
5,000 partner miles.
I wouldn't rate it at 5.
No,
for
so
sure.
here's the way I'll put it, right? I think percentage to percentage, it is extremely similar rates to what Atlas gives you, but it is more restricted towards a certain currency. So if you want,
See, Atlas पे also there is 5 to 10%. Like while we don't want to do that, but that's the reality. You are stuck with that same value, no? Like I would say मेरे mind में at least value पे it would be 3 or 4 at best.
Sure.
Not 5 for sure.
Which card?
IndusInd.
both of them, IndusInd and
No, I'm talking about
Flash.
SBI is out for me. Like that, I'm not even rating that. आप पहले
So you're
ABS
saying
कर-
you're not even applying for that?
No
Is
way.
it 0 out of 5? Is it 1 out of 5?
For me, the getting through the pain of getting that card itself is too much. I'm not going to apply for it ever. I'm out of
Oh,
it. After hearing story, I'm 100% sure. now.
Yeah.
See, I don't want
Sir,
to. Like,
I
I'm
was-
just saying, like, I was one of the first people. Maybe that their process is not aligned. or
No, no,
whatever.
no, 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 no.
But
no.
I
That
have
is
had
SBI.
a
No,
good
no, no,
experience
no,
with
no.
That is SBI.
His wife has got a different card altogether.
But that is
than
written
what's
in their
your-
policy, no?
Yeah, they can give you any card they want. That's
So
their policy.
if any of you have received a card that is not what you applied for, do not activate it.
Do not activate it and please let us know which card you got and which you applied for.
We
I
got
want
the
to know
Spar
it.
hypermarket card.
Yeah, Spar hypermarket.
Spar-
How can somebody get a Spar? Exactly.
But question mark.
This is with just SBI or any bank can
SBI.
do
Yeah,
it?
at least I'm 100. I've never got any other card
Yeah.
in my life. Yeah.
No, SBI has this policy. It's actually written in the terms that, we may not issue the card that you have applied for. We can issue, the company reserves the right to issue you any card that they
And
want.
they do. And they do.
But and then we also have the right to
We also
reject
have
any
the right
card
not
that
to
we don't
activate
want.
And they have the right to issue
Dude,
any card
RBI
with any name.
RBI बना है हमारे ऐसे चीजों के लिए RBI हमारे लिए गॉड है. मतलब
Yeah.
the fact that 30-day rule is a godsend.
Cool,
बताओ
cool.
दूसरा.
So let's align on the ranking again. Go ahead, Amir.
Sure. I think to me, value is good, versatility is bad. I would still say 4 on value. Versatility, I'll put it at an absolute 1. And what are the other metrics you have?
On rate.
Earn rate is good only. 5% you're getting.
Rating बोलो.
Yeah, 4.
4 चलो ठीक है. Fair agreed.
And what is the last one?
अभी मेरे को भुला
Ease
देता
of
हूँ.
access.
Ease of access.
accessibility.
Yeah, so I think
na?
between good only, both of them.
I think accessibility is good.
Accessibility, both of them are good.
Probably
You
4.
get it. 4.
ठीक है. Fair. Good.
Four,
Good discussion.
Round it out. अभी मैं मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव दूंगा.
आपको पूछा
Which
नहीं
is-
मैंने अभी तक.
पता है, लेकिन मैं दूंगा.
कोई कार्ड बचाया तुम्हारे लिए हमने? बचाया.
एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग
बताओ,
कार्ड
बताओ.
बचा है. And I want to see everybody's reactions to this. And I know it will be spicy. And before this, I never thought I'll apply for this card. But then it's been a recent acquisition that I have applied. And Adarniya Dhimanji introduced me to this card with his referral link. And I applied to this card. तो मैं पहला धीमंत को बोला क्यों? ये पागल हो गया, क्यों लेना है ये? पहले तो इट्स अ फ्री कार्ड. दूसरा मेरे को कुछ वैल्यू नहीं दिख रहा है. Why will you even want to apply to this? So then he introduced me to a term called airport privileges. And that is where I said, क्या बात कर रहा है? सही में? वो मीम भी एक है. क्या बात कर रहा है? So it's like that. So, and because we've now started flying not just for work and for vacations, but thanks to the Great Indian Points and Miles Show for our meetup, this is coming in very handy. So in the last 1 week, we've done at least 6 flights, right? Now on those 6 flights, what has happened is, this is the Scapia card, in case you haven't guessed this by now. So on the Scapia card, first of all, it's 0 rupees. You get it free. The app is beautiful. Like, I've never seen an app so good. I would have always said the best app experience for me till today has been Amex. I would dare say the app experience and the customer service are, if not better, equal to Amex. Like, Scapia customer support knows their stuff. I've called them twice. They know their stuff. Good people, good app, very seamless. Why I took this card is Dhiman told me there's a concept of airport privileges. Now, oftentimes you want to go to a lounge. You go to the lounge and there's buffet. So you have to eat what your heart might not want. So Scapia says, they've tied up with a bunch of restaurants across airports in India. You go and you select whichever restaurant, jo khana hai kha lo, and up to 1,000 rupees, you can swipe. You can swipe more than 1,000 also. But whatever you swipe, they give you back in terms of Scapia credits. Each credit is valued at 20 paisa. So if you swipe 1,000 rupees, they'll give you 5,000 credits back. और आप वो स्वाइप करो, वो 5-10 मिनट में क्रेडिट भी हो जाता है. इट्स वेरी फास्ट एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल ऐप. द वे दे हैव डन इट इज वेरी नाइस. सो द अदर थिंग दैट आई रियलाइज्ड इज आई स्टिल लाइक टू गो टू द लॉन्च, बट Dhiman introduced me to shopping. So every time now what we do is, like, when we are going, you buy a gift for your wife, you buy a gift for your children, you buy a gift for your parents, you buy a gift for your friend. You're going to meet someone in another city, you buy a gift for them, right? So Smoor ke chocolates le lo. There is that Forest Essentials, which has got some wonderful things that you can buy. There's Hamleys that you can buy. So you swipe $1,000 every time. So now if I'm doing 6 trips a month, which is 6 return flights, I'm getting 6,000 back on a card where I have to spend where the acquisition cost is 0 rupees, and I'm getting 6,000 back. So even if I do 4 flights a month, multiplied by 12, because I have visibility because of the Great Indian Points and Miles Show, that is a 48,000 rupees a year that I'm getting back, which is unbelievable, which I will deploy in travel. I can burn that for flights. I can burn that for bus. I can burn that for train.
Visa.
I can even burn that for visa. So for these reasons, I like this card. The other reason is, till today, before Scapia, I never had a UPI card.
This is shocking to me. आज
I
मेरे को
did
मालूम
not
पड़ा
have
कि
a
this is the
UPI
first
card.
UPI card.
I have never had a UPI card because I feel
काफी
use case
deadly है
ही
ना?
नहीं.
Like I didn't know this.
मेरा सिंपल था, यूज केस ही नहीं, क्यों लूं? दैट वाज माय थिंग, राइट? बट व्हेन ही टोल्ड मी अबाउट एयरपोर्ट प्रिविलेजेस एंड ही सेड इसमें यूपीआई भी है, बोला हाँ, अब मेरा यूज केस समझ में आ रहा है मेरे को. द डाउनसाइड इज द यूपीआई विल ओनली वर्क ऑन, गिव यू पॉइंट्स 1% बैक ओनली ऑन पेमेंट्स ऑफ 500 रुपीज एंड
Yeah.
तो हमारे 2-3 मर्चेंट्स हैं, जैसे हमारे घर के पास एक बेकरी है जहाँ पे एवरी वीक वी लाइक टू गो एंड वी पिक अप सम स्टफ. 500 के ऊपर बिल हो जाता है बिकॉज द किड्स लाइक टू पिक अप सम स्टफ. तो वहां पे अभी अपने को मिलना शुरू हो गया है.
वहाँ पे कार्ड
That is
मशीन नहीं
like-
उसके पास?
नहीं, कार्ड मशीन लेता नहीं है उसके पास, वो सिर्फ यूपीआई रखता है.
Which is a great, I think, use
सो
case.
सिमिलरली हमारा एक लॉन्ड्री वाला है जहाँ पे घर के पर्दे वगैरह
लॉन्ड्री
जाते
वाला
हैं.
है.
हाँ. So that guy again, no cards, right? He has only this. So now I got it for me, and because Dhiman said इसका referral offer है, मतलब मेरे को भी referral देना है. So I referred my wife via me, right? And therefore she also got the card. Now wherever she wants to use, she's using UPI, and it's become very accessible to her. So that's my reason for Scapia. The first is airport privileges. The second is UPI spends. That's about it. I don't use the card for anything else.
So
But I really like
I
it.
have a question on the UPI spends part.
Yeah.
Does it give UPI on any merchant, or like the person
No,
should
same
be a
UPI
merchant,
CCI,
or
UPI on CC. जो भी
UPI and
CC,
SUSI? Same thing. Got it.
Same thing.
But like if I'm transferring money to you as an individual, उस पर नहीं देगा.
वो तो transfer ही नहीं होगा.
हाँ, सिर्फ merchants.
नहीं, but I'll tell you what, like, interesting thing he mentioned. 2 things are notable, right? A lot of people will say कि यार मैं नहीं 4 बार fly करता आदिल की तरह. The second argument that I got is that यार मैं तो 4% वाला कार्ड स्वाइप करूंगा
Sure.
मैं तो 14% वाला AEP स्वाइप करूंगा लाइक इमेजिन इट हैज मेड द वे टू माय प्राइमरी वॉलेट एंड आई टेल यू व्हाई राइट आई डिड सम मैथ्स लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल एंड आई डिड दिस मैथ बिकॉज आई डिडंट डू इट दिस टाइम बिकॉज उसका कार्ड नहीं है तो मेरे को करना पड़ा मैथ व्हिच आई हेट बट आई डिड इट
हमें मेरा रेफरल है ना
करते हैं इसके ऊपर बात करेंगे
नहीं आपका नहीं आपके बहुत हो चुके हैं आप बैठो उधर आराम से भाई का रेफरल जाएगा
नहीं, folks. So we have our special referral links that will go randomly to either Dhimant या Adil's referral. I will leave it to chance.
नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ तुम जो अप्लाई
वो भी रेफरल उसमें अप्लाई करेगा
अरे we will leave it to chance. No, it will go to one of you.
Acha, coming back to the point, so the maths that I did, I'll tell you where the maths works. Let's say that you are not going to travel next month. You know for a fact. इस महीने, by the way, this airport privilege can only be activated if you spend 10,000 the previous month. Let's be clear on that, right? That's the downside.
There's a hack to that.
हैक पे बाद में आते हैं पहले वो करना पड़ेगा
हाँ,
spend.
नहीं वो हैक की बात कर लेते हैं आप कंप्लीट कर लो फिर hack
I'll first complete the point. So 10,000 आपको spend करना पड़ेगा. Now the question is, if you swipe in Atlas, let's take Atlas because it's the most common distributed card today and 4% return rate. It's a pretty good return rate, right? So आपको 4% मिल रहा है. On this 10%, you're going to get 400 miles, right? On any spend that you do for the month, right? Now you will say कि यार Scapia पे आओ कितना उसका return rate is 2%. It's a very poor return rate, right? 2% मिलेगा. 2% आप however think about it, if you are able to use the airport privileges one time,
Correct.
you're going to get 1,000 rupees back, and that 5,000 coins you can use it to a discount for your next flight ticket. आपने जो difference है वो already pay कर लिया that one airport privileges, right? However, you can do this unlimited times.
Correct.
And I'll tell you how it works. You go on a direct flight, use it at the departure. It just only works at the departure. Use it at the departure airport. अगर आपका कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट है आप नेक्स्ट डिपार्चर पे 1 घंटे के बाद फिर से यूज़ कर सकते हो विच मीन्स दैट यू ऑलरेडी टेकन 2,000 रुपी वर्थ ऑफ बेनिफिट राइट नाउ समबडी में से यार मैं तो लॉन्च पे यूज़ करता हूँ ना लॉन्च पे भी तो मुझे वैल्यू मिलती है बट भाई मुझे नहीं खाना लॉन्च में दैट्स नॉट माई नीड राइट सो
और लॉन्च के लिए दूसरे कार्ड है हमारे
दूसरे
पास
कार्ड है यू कैन स्टैक इट इट्स अ स्टैकेबल बेनिफिट राइट द थर्ड इज दैट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कम बैक आफ्टर 24 hours you can again use that card at the next departure right which means that if you are doing a like hypothetical case अगर आप यहाँ से देहरादून जा रहे हो राइट यू आर बेसिकली स्टॉपिंग एट दिल्ली पे भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो बैंगलोर पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो रिटर्न वक्त पे 2 बार यूज़ कर सकते हो यू आर ऑलरेडी एक्सट्रैक्टेड 4 in 1 trip and if you have 2 cards in the family with you and your wife you are shopped for like what like imagine there is no comparison of the so that's what I'm saying कि वो 10,000 रुपया आपके लिए वो मंथ स्पेंड करना है कि नहीं you can take a call right that's my highest and hence I feel that 10,000 spending on that card makes
Let me
absolute
summarize
sense.
it then. That in a given month, I have spent 10,000 through the month. Net. Okay. Plus, I have spent say I'm having a return flight. Common use case. Let's not even get into the hopping. So I've spent 10,000 in the month. Let's assume outside of the airport anyhow. Then I spend 1,000 at the airport each way. 1,000 and 1,000. 2,000. So total my spend is 12,000.
Correct.
Total value that I have received back is 2,000.
You don't even have to do 12,000. You can only do 8,000 plus 2,000 because airport privilege पे आपने जो spend
Let's
किया
take
it counts towards
let's take the
10,000.
extra. It's okay. It's fine. So we get 2,000 back. Plus you get 2% value back from here, which is another 200 rupees.
Correct.
240 rupees.
Correct.
So you're basically getting 2,250 rupees, 2,240 rupees back for a spend of 12,000. Man, that's excellent.
And you don't have to wait 5 days to get that. The moment I swipe it,
It's immediate.
It takes 30 seconds to a pop-up appears. Your coins have been
credited.
credit नहीं होता है,
20%
usable
kind
नहीं
of
होता है.
No, so
It
it's
shows
not
up
usable.
immediately.
It is usable from next statement.
The statement cycle, but it shows up
doesn't
immediately.
matter.
The transparency is next level. Also, I found one of the most transparently defined ये spend पे आपको points नहीं
Oh yeah, they've got
मिलेगा.
super clear.
Clear, मतलब लिखा हुआ है हर category पे.
Very important for our users who are listening in. Education पे नहीं मिलता
नहीं
है
मिलेगा,
points.
exactly.
Government पे नहीं मिलता है points. Utility पे नहीं मिलता है points. Taxes पे नहीं मिलता है points.
And I think they've fairly thought about all the use cases. यार मतलब I don't think it's a gameable and hence I feel that this
And it's not gameable. You know why? Because it's so beautifully designed.
Tech
When you
power.
try to claim your airport privilege, ना, it's a scan your boarding pass. तो अगर कोई रैंडम आदमी जा रहा है और वो किसी और का बोर्डिंग पास स्कैन करेगा ना वो नहीं चलेगा
वो भी आप एयरपोर्ट से ही कर सकते हो scan.
Yeah, and it's geo-fenced. So it's beautiful. The app is very well designed. Right?
No, but 20% return card is beautiful. It's crazy.
One
no,
thing
but
which
see
I
the other thing, I'll tell you that also. So for example, I have not spent 10,000 rupees on the card yet.
Okay.
So when we got the card, here's what I did, right? I was like, they were running this referral offer where you refer 5 people, they'll give you an Apple Watch. I was like, yaar, ye to achhi cheez hai. So I referred my wife got the card, and I referred 4 more people. I referred my brother, I referred my mom, my dad, and my sister-in-law. Simple, 5 people. Now, only 2 of these people got the card. The other 3 didn't give. But because I referred these people, airport privileges got unlocked for me.
That's
So
only,
I
for the
have
first,
not-
they're only for the first month.
Sure.
Only for the
But
first
I'm
month,
saying, I don't know. This is still my first
No,
month.
it's only the first month. I'm
हाँ,
telling you,
ठीक है.
confirming.
तो
That's
मेरा
only one
ये हो
time.
गया कि I didn't even spend 10,000 और मेरे को अभी 6,000 वापस मिल चुके हैं because I've used it for 6,000.
I see.
Which is pretty awesome.
Yeah, but see, the thing is, I love the privilege, and I think we should, like, मेरे mind में lifetime free है तो ले लो. अगर मिल रहा है तो ले लो.
Now there are 2 more things I want to talk about, right? It could be, the first one could be an upside also and a downside also, depending on how you see it. Let's say you're a new credit card user who's trying to get into the game, right? One of the key requirements for anyone is 0% Forex. और यहाँ पे Scapia has 0% Forex. और वो रियल टाइम रेट दिखाता है आपको और वो रियल टाइम रेट देता है, विच इज़ वेरी वेरी कूल. आई लाइक दैट फीचर. द डाउन साइड इज उसमें पॉइंट्स नहीं मिलते हैं, राइट? बट अगर आप नए हो एंड यू वांट टू बिल्ड योर क्रेडिट हिस्ट्री एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, इट्स अ ग्रेट कार्ड टू यूज फॉर फॉरेक्स पेमेंट्स.
See, Adil, I'm not going to use for Forex because मेरा Burgundy private है, but I feel that मेरा हमेशा जो हमने पहले वाले एपिसोड में बोला था कि anything about 2% अगर आपको मिल रहा है नेट, then I say कर लो, but anything less than 2% you should consider because काफी बार वो
इट्स
fluctuations
अ
में
पोजिशनिंग. आपके पास बर्गंडी प्राइवेट है.
हाँ,
लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू गेट इवन बर्गंडी, राइट? लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू गेट एटलस. तो ये फ्री कार्ड.
और एटलीस्ट अगर आपके पास है भी तो आप तो कुछ नहीं कमा रहे हो ना, आप जीरो कमा रहे हो.
मतलब अगर आप फ्री कार्ड में अगर घुस रहे हो, आपका क्रेडिट प्रोफाइल बढ़ा रहे हो, इट्स अ गुड कार्ड टू
I think another one is
Will the
AUXC,
seasoned
yeah.
pros use it? Absolutely not, right? But I'm saying that is like an interesting feature for you to explore.
I think only the
Let's
card which
come
does
to-
this is the AUXC Go, by the way.
Yeah.
The other card.
Let's come to the downsides, right? One of the downsides I have seen is 5 to 6 of my friends, including 3 from my family who applied, have been rejected. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनकी क्रेडिट लिमिट अच्छी नहीं है, उनकी सैलरी अच्छी नहीं है. दे हैव इन्फिनिया. वन ऑफ देम हैज मैग्नस बर्गंडी. वन ऑफ देम हैज गॉट एटलस. तीनों रिजेक्ट फॉर नो रीजन व्हाटसोएवर. सो देयर इज अ डाउनसाइड. देयर फॉर सम रीजन they're not issuing it to everyone, and I can't understand
गौर
why.
से देखो उसको, आदमी को.
I didn't
है
get
सामने.
mine.
Oh, you didn't get yours?
तो मैजिक लिंक में इसका लिंक ही नहीं है बेचारे का.
ये
ईगो
तो
हर्ट हो रहे हैं.
एस्केलेट करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, but I'll tell you one more interesting feature, positive I feel. I love stacking, right? So I was telling Mayank, right, that there are 2 things which I love stacking for, right? आपके पास 5 कार्ड है, सब लाउंज एक्सेस अलाउ करती है. आप 5 बार लाउंज में खाना खा सकते हो क्या? नहीं ना. तो आप एक बार लाउंज में खाना खाओ अगर खाना है तो, दूसरी बार गिफ्ट बाय करो. दैट्स वन वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट इट. सेकंड इज कॉइन्स. अब आप कॉइन्स में बोल रहे हो कि 2% रिटर्न रेट है, लेकिन कौन सा माइल्स प्रोग्राम आपको अलाउ करता है टू बुक वीजा विथ मनी? आप फ्लाइट्स बुक करो आपके पॉइंट से, आप मैरिट लाओ एमेक्स से, बट यूज योर वीजा के लिए ये कॉइन्स. 2% है ना रिटर्न रेट, ठीक है यार, मतलब कुछ तो आप यू स्टिल सेव्ड मनी लाइक दैट. एंड अगेन बसेस, airports, for all you know, tomorrow you can book cabs with this coins. I don't know like whether it gets released as a feature, right? But in my head I think that's super critical. Always not get obsessed by the value that you get, but also how much you can categories that you can cover.
But the value itself is so nice. 1 return flight, 20%. 2 return flights, some 35%. Asymptotically, it's going towards 100%. Man, it's excellent.
ये मैं प्रोमो ट्रेलर में डालने वाला हूँ ये.
120, 240, 360.
See,
Well, not 40. 40 से थोड़ा कम होगा, पर it tends towards that.
ठीक है, तो इसका रैंकिंग कर ले. So for example, accessibility I will say 2 on 5 because I have seen not a lot of people get it.
I will debate with you on this because, for example, it's one of the few Forex cards that will let you do both RuPay card as well as Forex.
No,
Because
I'm saying
typically,
accessibility, when I say
Both are
accessibility,
part.
I'm
No,
saying
he's say-
ease
both are.
of getting the card also.
Part of accessibility. हाँ, मतलब he's
The dual line
I am
feature is great.
rating it low because I feel like
मिल ही नहीं रहा है.
like 60% of people from my network who have applied have not gotten it. Because of that.
But sir, his
So for
point-
example, I'll give you another example. My wife, when she applied for it, right? First time she applied, it got rejected. After 1 week, randomly, उसको एक mail आया कि you have been approved. और उसको मिल गया. लेकिन फर्स्ट ईयर देखिए मतलब क्यों? क्योंकि भाई उसके पास तो अच्छे कार्ड्स हैं, तो क्यों रिजेक्ट हो गया? सो आई एम सेइंग दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग आई डोंट वांट टू बी हार्ड ऑन Scapia, but I'm saying like although it has great features, accessibility पे because it's not that easy to get.
Yeah,
I will
but-
give it a 2 out of 5.
But I think your point was more towards Visa and RuPay accessibility. I think he's
sure.
coming from that lens.
yeah, so that in that sense, I was hoping we can, bump
I'm-
it up
I'm
in the middle.
blending it.
Maybe 2.5.
2.5. Chalo. What do
Chalo,
you think?
diya.
Hey, Mayank doesn't have the card, right? He doesn't have any
so I
emotional
don't have the
connect.
card, but listening at the card, I do see the value proposition there, right? Hopefully, अप्रूव हो जाएगा. I'll use one of your referrals. But
उसके बिना अगर तुमने लिया तो देखो तुम्हारा क्या हाल
And
होगा.
Skipia has a way to track who all has taken your reference.
Yeah,
so
I
we will
can
watch.
check it.
then I'll take the referral. For the value, I would say 3 or
दिल
4.
पे मत लेना, reject
3 out
हो
of 5.
Man, 6 out of 5. Sorry, ये दिल पे ले लिया मैंने.
It's a free card. So free card पे अगर आप
नहीं, वैल्यू की
entry-
बात नहीं हो रही है. वैल्यू का अभी एक्सेसिबिलिटी की बात हो रही है. पहले एक्सेसिबिलिटी बताओ.
मैंने किया ही
Accessibility
नहीं ना.
close 2.5.
I don't know that.
2.5 चलो 2.5.
2.5
2.5.
वैल्यू अगर बात करें आई विल गिव इट अ 5
मेरा
on
5 है,
5
मेरा 5 है.
सिंपली बिकॉज फ्री कार्ड है देयर इज नो लायबिलिटी दिस इज लाइक जीरो लायबिलिटी
Fair enough.
अगर मुझे 0.5 काटना पड़ा,
लेकिन
अगर
आपका
अगर
सीन ऐसा है ना लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर इट टू लाइक मैग्नस बर्गंडी इन्फिनिया एंड ऑल
Yeah.
चांस ही नहीं है एंट्री लेवल पे 5
सर एक सेकंड, थोड़ा सा फेयर करते हैं. अगर कोई बंदा वो जोन में है कि उसने अपना 14% AEP छोड़ के लेट्स से ये 10,000 यहाँ डाला, राइट, देयर इज अ चांस दैट ही मे नॉट ट्रैवल नेक्स्ट मंथ. ही इज प्रॉब्ली लॉस्ट फ्यू रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट्स. वर्स्ट केस में 4.5 करूंगा लेकिन नॉट बिलो दैट. लाइक
में हो तो ये यूज ही नहीं करना ना सिंपल है
नहीं सर, क्यों? मैं वही नहीं, अरे मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ यूज नहीं करना. आई एम सेइंग स्टिल आई हैव टू डू 10,000 इफ आई एम ट्रैवलिंग 6 times नेक्स्ट मंथ. नो, द रिटर्न इज 20% और 40%.
I agree, but
Up till
I
100%.
value miles more than Scapia currency, which is INR.
Which is fair. Which is
Which
fair.
is why
Which
I
is
am
fair.
saying
But
that
sir, even
I
at
will keep it.
20%.
सर 14% तो मिल जाता है ना ईपी में. That 14% is equal to 28%
सर आपने दिल्ली का
in the core.
आपका दिल्ली का फ्लाइट कौन से बुक किया बताओ.
Scapia.
हाँ तो फिर दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से ना.
ये तुम्हारी वजह से तो हुआ है वो फ्री वाला. So otherwise it wouldn't happen. It was epic, man. Like I was so happy that I got a Delhi flight free.
Let's agree for the value.
The
I
Great
think
Indian Mile saved some money.
my ranking is 4.55. Like,
Yeah, sure. I'm aligned with that.
I'm
4.5
putting 6 out of 5.
जिसको नहीं मिला उसकी वैल्यू.
Arey, there's an opportunity, man. It's so asymmetric. Like there is nothing.
जल रहा है क्या?
नहीं मिल जाएगा उसको बहुत जल्दी
I'll
मिल
get my wife to apply for it.
Yes. अब हुई ना बात. बताओ next.
Alright.
So what was the other earn rate? Probably 1.
Earn
2.
rate, I would say, 1
One,
out of
two,
5.
one,
The
one
earn rate is not great here at all.
I mean, on regular spends.
Now that Adil has brought so much energy on the table, Adil, cover one more card because we have missed one of the most interesting cards.
अरे ये तो
तुम
this
कैसे
is-
बोल गए? मुझे लगा तुम उसकी
this
बात
is
करोगे.
इंडिया के क्रेडिट कार्ड कम्युनिटी के दिल से लगा हुआ, दिल से जुड़ा हुआ, सबसे खूबसूरत, सबसे अच्छा, सबसे प्यारा, सबसे दिल के करीब कार्ड, which is the Amex Plaid Travel.
मुझे लगा आप
This
चार्ज
is-
बोलने वाले हो. Thank God. Thank God.
Amex Plaid Travel is such a lovely card. 5,000 rupees plus taxes. 4 लाख रुपए खर्चा करो साल में, आपको 50,000 पॉइंट देता है, which is unbelievable. And that 50,000 point is insane.
There is one
when
person
it
who
comes
doesn't
to
agree
that.
to that.
And
He's
who
sitting
is
in
that?
yellow. And we debated this
You
just before
don't
the
agree
episode.
to that.
No, it's a good card, but as long as you're able to get some renewal benefit, it is good.
यार, it's a milestone. Hang
This is
on.
what Amex has done. तुमको बिगाड़ दिया है.
Hang on. 5,000 रुपए दे के तुमको हांगकांग
I'm
का
not
रिटर्न
cancelling.
टिकट मिल रहा है
Yeah.
फ्री में. Who can argue?
अरे
with this?
वैल्यू किंग इसका नया नाम वैल्यू किंग.
एक मिनट 3 nights at Sheraton महाबलीपुरम चेन्नई. कहाँ पे 5,000 रुपए में?
So
Impossible.
let me put it this way, man.
2 nights at Prestige
अरे
Golf
बोलने दो
है.
उसको.
नहीं, मैं रिफ्यूज करूंगा. I vehemently disapprove of this.
Let's just say I have better ways of spending 4 lakhs.
कैसे बताओ?
अरे इतना ऑप्टिमाइज करते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ करके हो जाएगा.
I'm just trying to understand, like,
He's just
rationally.
pitched as a value king that he hasn't got any renewal offer. He's not getting it. That's the only reason.
No, my
नहीं,
renewal
यार,
is due in a bit
I'm
of
just
time,
kidding.
but from what I hear,
No, but 50, like realistically,
50%
like this is on your exclusions also, right? If
Yeah.
you're paying tax.
No, it's a
or
great card. I mean,
whatever.
no doubts about
like,
it.
it's like you still get that 50,000, which is unbelievable.
Okay, I'll tell you my strategy for SQ. I told Amay this.
Yeah.
This is my strategy for next year. मैंने पहले सोचा कि मैं नहीं खर्च करूंगा 4 लाख. This was my first thought because मेरे को ताज से अभी like I'm kind of थोड़ा सा I'm zoned out because मेरे को ताज की properties में this Amex vouchers are becoming a nuisance. I'm being treated like somebody like a second grade citizen.
But why do you want to move to Taj? Is my question.
हाँ, I don't
Marriott
want.
को move
नहीं,
करो,
even for
Hilton
the-
को move
even
करो.
for the 10,000 which I used to value before, अभी थोड़ी
Sure.
value मेरे लिए कम हो गई because anyways coming back to where I think now is the value for me is मेरा SQ के बहुत सारे trips है. I am thinking 4,500 plus taxes 5,000 पकड़ते हैं.
Sure.
I pay 5,000. I will definitely hit 4 lakh, but 4 lakh is a very small spend to do, right? 50,000 पॉइंट मिलेंगे. मैं straight away SQ में मूव करूंगा 25,000. Legit way of buying 25,000 SQ miles
Exactly.
by spending 5,000. This is
Correct.
better than SBI
Correct.
card that you spoke about.
Aligned.
That is my
I
strategy.
don't disagree with that.
That's my strategy.
I'm aligned.
And this will probably, I have two of them, one for me, one for my wife. We'll probably get a business class ticket of SQ with this. 10,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Tell me any other card that can give you a business class seat of SQ in 10,000 rupees. Simple. Or 4 lakh, usme, by the way, you can also pay taxes.
I rest my case. Thank you.
No, I was telling Amaya this.
No, fair enough. No, what I think my biggest gripe is that the fact that you have to spend 4 lakh rupees.
Yes.
But aside from that, I'm fully agreed with you on
Yeah,
everything.
but accessibility is a big challenge, sir. यार मतलब Amex का भी
Yes,
बहुत fight है
yes,
यार.
aligned. Also, Forex is a challenge.
Big problem.
They will charge 3.5%, which is very
तो
expensive.
वैल्यू में बताओ, वैल्यू में क्या रेट करोगे ये चार्ज कार्ड को?
या वैल्यू में तो मैं बोलूंगा 5 out of 5.
Fair.
Chance
Agree,
नहीं है.
disagree.
Yeah, I agree.
Accessibility में उसको तो 2.5.
2, okay, 2 यार. 2.
Value,
2.5
so
चलो ठीक है.
value में there is another proposition. You could even move to VA for your.
Yeah.
Oh,
Brilliant.
brilliant.
You get
Brilliant.
Yeah. So
बताओ
you
वो
get
deal
this
बताओ.
is
आज का
actually-
deal बताओ.
मेरे को ले लेने दो पहले.
No, but I think this is the thing that I value Amex the most because it is one of the few cards that will get you access to Virgin, that gets you access to
absolutely,
Cathay. And well, let's finish off with PT. But on the next set, I have a couple of things to talk about.
Let's go for it. Let's go for
नहीं
it.
but
Why-
खत्म करते हैं ना इसको. So earn rate is like 2 maybe.
Earn rate
Base
is 1 out of 5. 1 out of 5, yeah.
Would you agree?
Yeah, yeah.
Fair. Cool. Awesome. Let's move on next card.
Earn rate is better, no?
You could say 1.5. out of
Milestone,
5.
no? You count the milestone always.
यार मैं I would
No,
say
but
2.
that's
मेरे
not
mind में
earn-
2 है. Like
Yeah.
मेरे mind में 2.
No, it's got a beautiful earn rate. Like any spend, if you're able to do that 4 lakh.
So I equate that as value. You're equating it as earn rate. For
Earn
me,
rate is pure play percentage how much you get back.
That's
for
a
your
1%.
time.
That's 2%.
fine.
I think, like I said in the earlier episode, I don't see any more value in booking OTs, honestly. Well, that's
Sure.
my stance. But fair point. I think a lot of people who do book OTS, उनके लिए card could be a godsend.
I'll tell you where the asymmetry comes out with respect to these cards is their transfer partners. So both of these, for
Accord.
example, and something that is really useful for me is Air Canada. I can do Air Canada. HSBC, in fact, has an Accor 1-to-1. It's also got Cathay. This one at least has. The SBI one has Cathay.
Nice.
The HSBC, on the other hand, has Japan Airlines. So both of these are like rare currencies. SBI wala, another good thing you can do is you can use it as a RuPay card. So it doubles up there.
Perfect.
The only pain with this card is that so it's got like a 5,000 joining fees. But to make up for that 5,000, you need a spend of 1 lakh in the first 60 days.
Perfect.
So if you have that rare case in which you are able to do that 1 lakh spend in 60 days, it can function as, you know, as we are all talking about alternatives. Say, assume I'm not able to get an Atlas. Right? If you have OTA spends, I think it works out great.
So let's do one thing. यहाँ पे ranking नहीं करते हैं.
Yeah.
एक चीज बताओ that this cards, if they had a feature, they would make it to the top rung. Or what would make this cards to the top rung?
The SBI card, if they had either a better earn rate or if they had a easier way to get the welcome benefit, I
They
would have
would
got
be
it.
in top tier.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, awesome. Oh, second वाला तो होने वाला
HSBC
नहीं
is
है
actually
कभी.
nice. It is good, but yeah, it's decent, man. You can pick it up for the first year. At least the benefits are good.
Okay, awesome. Mayank, what about
Yeah,
you?
so I have my eye on this card. It's a very recent card, co-branded card, IDFC Indigo card, credit card,
Interesting.
right?
Interesting.
So why I am picking this card only because domestic flights, right? These days we are not getting miles, we are not getting availability on Air India, right? And Indigo has recently launched this whole miles and points game system, right? So I have my eye on this card. The only bad thing I feel is it's a very high joining fees, 5,000 plus GST with the earn rate of around 3%. The good thing, this earn rate 3% is any category. There are no exclusions
exclusions.
at all. So your gold, your government spends, your utility, you can use this card, earn 3% miles on your Indigo and fly domestic. And
What do you get as joining benefits for the
so I
5,000 rupee fee?
haven't been able to research it quite deep, but it has a similar to Atlas. It has 2 lakh milestone, 4 lakh milestone, 6 lakh
No, but
milestone.
is there a joining benefit for
I
the
think
fee?
the joining benefit,
There
if I'm
sh-
not mistaken, is some coins worth 5,000 is what
Yeah,
I
yeah,
know.
yeah,
It's
there is a
similar
joining
to the
benefit.
5,000 or something of that sort.
Are you getting the card?
No, no.
ये
But
तो
why? You are
आपकी
the best
चहीती
person to
airline
use the
है।
card.
क्या कर रहे हो यार?
मैं अभी
दीपक?
यही पूछने वाला
ये
था.
इतना अच्छा कार्ड
Okay,
है
okay,
यार।
okay. Let's ask this question. What will one thing feature will make you take this card? I'll answer this question also. I also have an
I
answer.
have an
but
answer
yeah.
for this.
I also have an answer.
For me, the joining fees.
Huh?
Just half it.
Half the joining fee. तो joining benefit भी half हो जाएगा. चलेगा आपको वो?
नहीं,
That you're okay
no,
with?
no. Obviously. So
You want a sweetener on the
yeah,
joining
I
benefit?
just want a sweetener on the joining fees.
मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल जो इंडिगो IDFC विस्तारा में था कि आपको भले ले रहे हैं फीस 3,000 लेकिन आपको टिकट मिल रही है 5,000 या 6,000 की वर्थ, सो इट्स अ फेयर पॉइंट ना. लाइक अगर आप IDFC विस्तारा कार्ड जो था, दे वर एक्चुअली गिविंग अ जॉइनिमेंट विद 2x द.
ये बहुत बायस्ड व्यू आ रहा है.
क्यों?
पता नहीं.
अरे नहीं सीरियसली यार. I think what would make me take this card is that I get born again and I will start flying Indigo whole time and then I will take this card. No, I was just kidding. I think I don't think I need the card. So
पुनर्जन्म. धीमंत का पुनर्जन्म.
no, but on a serious note, I think if BizBlack नहीं होता, I would have considered this card seriously. I genuinely think I would have, and I would have probably used it for my urgent travels जहाँ पे मतलब Air India नहीं है.
I really want to find someone in HDFC and close off your BizBlack.
क्यों लेकिन यार?
फिर
इतनी
देखते
जलन.
हैं ये बंदा सही में लेता है कि नहीं इंडिगो का.
I take it.
But I think
इतनी शिद्दत से प्यार है ना इसको इंडिगो से. मेरे को देखना है ये बंदा लेगा कि नहीं. But Amey, you were saying that you had a rebuttal for this, right?
Yeah, well, I would take that card if it were on a different brand.
You mean different brand मतलब IDFC?
No, IDFC Air India. I love IDFC.
SBI. He wanted SBI.
Dude, imagine, SBI and Indigo. Oh God.
They deserve each other.
Okay, cool. I think my second card probably would be. Let me think. I think. Yeah, honestly, I think run out of options. यार है कोई card बचा है क्या? Like I can't think of any other card.
For travel.
Okay, let's go with Regalia Gold. I genuinely feel it's a good card, and I genuinely feel it doesn't masquerade itself, doesn't call itself a travel card. But if it's your first card, and again, I'm tempted to go back on ratings. I didn't name it, but I feel that अगर आप rank करोगे ना, it will kick ass over many other cards that we had. So probably I'm now regretting कि मैंने married one में क्यों बोला Regalia Gold क्यों नहीं बोला. लोग जानते हैं मेरा Regalia Gold की तरफ क्या प्यार है. I think it's a great starter card, and because we're not ranking it, what would probably make it sweeter, I feel, is that HDFC probably market it a little well, right? Make it more accessible to people, because अभी भी अगर आप जाओगे HDFC branch में, even for Regalia Gold, they're saying no to people who deserve the card. I don't know, easily, yes, I think official is 1.5 lakh salary पे आपको Regalia Gold मिलता है. You should get it. If you're not getting it, something is wrong. I think that's the only thing that will change it for me. I would recommend it to the first card to anyone. By the way, there are underrated benefits. You have a milestone benefit also, which we generally don't count in the earn rate, right? Plus, you have Accor as a 0.5. I've told it multiple times. It's a great co-branded Accor card for a starter person. But आपको तो 1:1 मिल ही रहा है ना, half का transfer rate है.
With this card, the good thing is you learn about the credit card ecosystem a lot. The Miles ecosystem, it has everything. Milestones built in, it has the partners built in, it has Smart Buy portal built in, right? So great thing about this card is for any beginner, you'll get into the world of CCs and
By the way,
milestones.
on the Atlas bit, why I think it competes with Atlas is if you're a domestic traveler and if your sector doesn't appear on, let's say, an Air India, this Atlas is 2% return rate. Regalia actually comes very close, right? So let's not forget that.
Right, chalo. I think this has been a good discussion. Time to call this a wrap. Thank you, Dhiman. Thank you, Mayank. Thank you, Ameya, for making time for this episode. For all of you who tuned in, big thanks for making time for this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. Tell us in the comments which is going to be your number one travel credit card. Also tell us which is the one travel credit card that you will never get. And if you would like all of us to submit a petition that Dhiman should get the Indigo credit card, please put that in the comment, tag him on Twitter, tag him on Instagram, and let's sign a petition that Dhiman, you should get the Indigo credit card. I think it'll be a lot of fun. With that, if you're enjoying the episode, please like and subscribe. And thank you everyone for tuning in. It's been a pleasure bringing this whole show to you. See you soon.
Flashing bright, we're on the go. Tune in now, there's so much to know. Earning bits, travel dreams we sow. All aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. 0 to hero in the blink of an eye. Fly first class, no need to be shy. Redemption sweet, touching the sky. Award seats booked, let's give it a try. Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo. Hidden treasures in every flight. Nights in places that feel so right. From deserts to the city lights. Get set, steal those dazzling sights. Miles stack up each passing day. Rewards come back in a million ways. In this game you want to play the great Indian adventure, yay! Award seats book, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo.